From a wide range of activities and attractions, beautiful beaches and temples to bustling markets and vibrant nightlife, the land of smiles, Thailand will surprise you with its hospitality that it can offer on a budget. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel where we talk about all things travel for travelers by travelers from travel experts. In this video, we'll talk about how you can vacation in Thailand under Rs 50,000. With this budget, you can expect to stay in the mid-range hotels or resorts in Bangkok and Pattaya. In Bangkok, you can visit the Grand Palace, Wat Arun and Wat Phra Kaw for a glimpse of Thai architecture and culture. You can also explore the vibrant nightlife of Bangkok, especially around Khao San Road and Saw Khao Bai. In Pattaya, you can visit the famous Pattaya beach for water sports or enjoy the vibrant nightlife around Walking Street. You can also explore Nong Nuch Tropical Garden and Sanctuary of Truth for a more cultural experience. Overall, with proper planning and budgeting, you can have a great 4-night vacation in Bangkok and Pattaya within a budget of Rs 50,000. Watch out for our next video where we give you tips for planning a budget-friendly vacation in Thailand for under 50,000 rupees. Wicked Rail will help you get the best deals and also personalize your itinerary just the way you want it. For more such videos, do like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel, and don't forget to click on the bell icon to stay tuned.